So, Romil, you are preparing for DRDO Scientist B and you have prepared the subject of data structures. So, let's start your snap. Uh, so, do you know what is a linked list?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, linked list is a linear data structure which contain where node contain value and a pointer pointing to another node. I mean to say, ma'am, linked list is a linear data structure which contain information like a value and a pointer.
Okay. So, what are the functions that we can perform on linked list?
Ma'am, traveling, insertions, deletions, searching.
Okay. First one you told is traveling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how will you travel in a linked list?
No, I will start from the head. I mean, the head will be it will be a pointer which contain the starting point of the linked list. So I will start from the head. I will take the value of that that is stored in head, and I will iterate till I will start from head, and then I will access the pointer in the linked list that is pointing to another node, and keep on iterating whichever, and I will apply the conditions for that so that when reach that point, it so that it will break from there and execute the operation that I want.
If you want to summarize this explanation into 3 or 4 words, how will you tell it?
Uh, I will just iterate from the start and go through all the node by accessing the pointer at the reach the desired location.
Okay. Are you sure is it called a traveling or traversal?
And traversing.
Traversing.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is traveling?
Man, traveling is uh, it's like
Is it done something on linked list?
ma'am, actually in linked list we traverse and and normally ma'am I use the word traversing there, ma'am.
Okay. So can you write a small code snippet which actually adds an element to the end of the linked list?
Okay. Can you see me?
No, actually. You can explain what have you written.
Ma'am, actually, over here, ma'am, actually, first created a node, start node, name new, created a node over here. And after that, I took a pointer P, declare aware, and assigned a value pointer of a node, a head, pointer of a head. Then after that, I started the while conditions, and till the it will while will execute till T become a null, P become a null, and it will I take. I mean, you go to the next pointer. I mean, next node by using P imply P is equal to P imply next. And when it when it stop where a condition is where P is null, then we come out of the while loop and we see it will execute a condition P imply next is equal to the new, and one condition left here, ma'am, new imply next is equal to null. I left over here, ma'am.
Okay. So have you set the next the new next field of the new element you added?
Sorry, ma'am.
Have you set the last like next field? You got the next field, right? What
Yes,
are your
ma'am.
fields in the struct?
Sorry, I am unable to understand, ma'am. Can you repeat?
What are the fields that you have given in your structure that you have created?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the fields?
Ma'am, actually, field that I've given, actually, actually, ma'am, your word is just disrupting in between, so unable to catch completely. But I got, ma'am, something talking about field, ma'am. So, ma'am, P imply next. Actually, I've given when condition. I mean to say, ma'am, field are given. I mean, storing a value, and another field is a pointer. That is a next is a pointer pointing to is a pointer
Okay,
of a node.
yeah, I got it. My question is, so the new element which you have added in the linked list, have you set the next pointer of that element as null or not? Or is it required or not?
Ma'am, where it required, ma'am, I mean, in a while loop.
Not anywhere. Have you set anything you have set the new element you added, say 5, okay, you added a new
Yes.
element in the linked list 5, it is added, but have you set the next field of that element or not? Is it even required to set it or not? You understood my question, or should I
No, ma'am, clear.
explain, like repeat it once more?
Yes. In the last one, please.
I said, suppose you added one element 5 at the end of the linked list.
Yes.
So is it required to set the next field of this element as null or not?
Yes, ma'am, required.
Why?
Ma'am, because it will point out that it is a last node of the linked list. I mean,
Okay.
ma'am,
So have you set that field in your code?
no, ma'am, that's why I said, ma'am, I not put that over there. I said, ma'am, I forgot
Okay.
to put it over there. I said, ma'am, in the last, ma'am, that new
Okay.
apply next is equal to null. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell what is circular queue?
Ma'am, circular queue, it is a queue in which rare and I mean, the last node of it is a queue in which the last node of the queue is point to the beginning of the queue. And ma'am, and where the insertion start from the, I mean, there are two pointers in which front and the rear. From the front, deletions begin, deletion take place, and from the rear, insertion take place. front always at the beginning and rear when you start inserting it go to the end. It's like that, like this man.
Okay, where do we use circular queue? Had it been like not had it been queue not sufficient that we have to introduce circular queue?
Because ma'am, because if I want to keep on executing the same program repeatedly in a round robin fashion, repeatedly the same set of process. So I knew the run and then I knew the circular queue because I want to execute the same set of process in round robin fashion every time. So we keep on repeating is like that.
Okay, so round robin fashion, if implemented in normal queue, it won't work according to you. You heard my question, right?
Yes, I got it, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Okay.
No, just actually just want to analyze, ma'am. This.
Hmm.
No, don't know, ma'am. I'm wrong. Actually, I'm wrong. I can't
Okay,
tell that,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so let's come to the feedback, Romil. Uh, First of all, you got confused in the linked list reversal part. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
just remember the terms, don't forget it. Next thing which I asked was about circular queues. The thing is that in queues, whenever the front pointer goes at the end,
Hmm.
there is some space, like space inefficiency, space utilization inefficiency, because we once we
Okay.
have reached the front pointer which has reached at the end, we cannot go back, right? Front pointer cannot reach back until and unless our complete queue is empty, correct? So circular queue in that manner, in that way, front will be pointing like a circular so that we can use it like in a circular fashion. You are understanding what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is like space, proper space utilization that we are using circular queue. You can read about it more. Okay, that is a just basic concept. Why has it come? Plus, DQ is also there. So just study these
Yes.
things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you want to
Ma'am,
ask anything?
actually, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, need to ask, ma'am. Actually, what I did, ma'am. Actually, now changed little bit. What are the subject I'm going to prepare for interview? That is operating system, data structure, algorithms, computer architecture, ma'am. So is it? Hello, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Yes.
आ रहा हूँ, 1 मिनट आ रहा हूँ मैं आ रहा हूँ हाँ yes ma'am. Hello
Yes. So what is the problem?
ma'am, actually is it do the compulsory ma'am ask computer architecture Or ma'am, is it 5 subjects that is enough? That is computer architecture,
Five,
computer network security.
yeah, I understood. I think according to me, 3 subjects are more than enough. But if they ask for
Okay,
more
ma'am.
subjects, then only go for fourth and fifth. If they ask for more subjects, then go for more than 5. Okay. But if you're
Okay,
preparing
ma'am.
5, that is more than sufficient.
Okay, ma'am.
And if they ask for your favorite subjects, never tell more than 3. This is my
Okay, ma'am.
serious
Okay,
advice
ma'am.
until and unless they ask you for more subjects. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Next time, ma'am, I will prepare for ma'am operating system, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.